Hi. Hello. Good morning. Today I am doing my makeup because that's what I do every day. um, my face kind of hurts because I'm kind of sunburned because um, I was on a vacation. Yay! So, yeah, my face kind of hurts and I'm kind of sunburned. Can you see that? Wow, that's crazy. Okay. Uh, so while I was on a vacation, I was doing this kind of like no makeup look. Sometimes I didn't wear any makeup because who has time for that on vacation? But I did this kind of like look that I liked once, and I was like, I can film this, because it was really easy, simple, cute,
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, showstopper.
and perfect for vacation or like not vacation, or basically perfect for any time that you want to trick people into thinking that you're not wearing any makeup and you want to wear makeup for some reason. Yeah, let's get started. First of all, my face is kind of doing better, kind of not. I have a new spot. Welcome. Here she is. She's beautiful. We love her. But overall, my face is kind of doing better, if we ignore the whole sunburned thing, So, yeah. Okay, let's get started. First, let me put on some moisturizer because, like I said, my face is kind of sunburned. And I don't know why. I've been putting like so much sunblock on, like so much. And I'm still sunburned. Like this makes absolutely no sense. Absolutely no sense. Okay, now that we are not crispy dry, our skin is grateful for that. Um, Next thing, I'm just gonna be putting some foundation on like couple spots that I have and underneath my eyes. And I'm not putting any concealer because concealer looks like super white on me right now. It looks like ridiculous, the concealers that I have, because I'm kind of darker now. I have like a little bit of like tint going on in my skin. I usually don't. So all my concealers are like the whitest shade that there is, and now I look like a ghost if I put them on. That was way too much. Like, look at that. Nope. Let me just like blend it out. Then I'm gonna also put some foundation on my under eye to cover my dark circles. Okay, that's basically it. What? So that's basically it for foundation, aka concealer, aka face. The sun left the chat. I'm so sorry about that. It's fine. The sun decided to leave. That's fine. She can go do her own thing. Next thing, I'm gonna take my glow drops, highlighting drops, so that it brings back some of that like natural glow that I don't have. So, is that enough, or should I put like some blush on a little bit so that I don't look dead? Just a little bit, you want to trick people into thinking that you're like naturally like blushy, and you're not, because why would you be? Then we can take some bronzer, if I can find where my bronzer is. Okay, found it. Just bronze our face a little bit. Not too much because I'm kind of like naturally bronzed right now, a little bit, from the sun damage that I took. So I'm also gonna put some on my eyes because I'm not gonna be putting any eyeshadow, so that it doesn't look weird. I'm just gonna put bronzer on my eyelid. Next, let's take some highlighter, but we're gonna take this stick one. Just add some more glow. I haven't plucked my brows in a while. I'm like growing them out. They're kind of like naturally like bushy. I don't need a lot of help, especially for a no makeup look, you know. Summer is basically over and I am super sad about it. I can feel my depression creeping in back. This summer kind of gave me a lot of happiness, but I feel like with fall, my depression is gonna come back. Then for my eyes, I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes and that's basically it. Like, I don't even want to put mascara on. I should get lash extensions. I really want to, but I think that my lashes are gonna fall out because of like the fake lashes that they're gonna put on me, and I'm gonna be so pissed if that happens. And then for lips, we can just put on some gloss. And that's basically it. So this is like super easy and fast, and it takes me like 3 minutes max if I'm not doing it on camera. Even when I'm doing it on camera, it takes like 5 minutes. You know, it's kind of like cute if you feel insecure and you want to like put on something on, but you don't want like to look like you tried too much. You can always do this, you know, and you can like trick people into thinking that you're like natural glowy goddess when you're actually not. So yeah. You're welcome for this tutorial. You're so welcome. I know I'm so like good at explaining things and doing things. Okay, so I'm gonna go now. Thank you for watching my video. I have other ones. You can check them out. You can like, you can subscribe. You can basically do whatever you want to do. And I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye. Mwah.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually